Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or allow for automatic downloads of multiple files on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, expand Additional Permissions, and then select where it says Automatic Downloads. Select Sites can automatically download multiple files, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that's able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.